when your technician adjust this breaker hand cover, please pay attention to here. The left side coil forming bar here will be more lower than this one, than the light side. Okay. 好，可以。
这个长的跟这个长的，这个槽哈，1、2、3、4，一般离第三有3颗也可以，有4颗也可以。
留下。
嘿嘿，不能有2颗，2颗不行。这个跟这个。
对。
你看了。
至少要3次。
最少要3颗。4颗无所谓。
Okay. One thing is important. This bar and this coil forming bar and this is coil forming bar. The hand, this is the breaker hand cover. Okay, hand cover. From here to here, I mean this different distance should have a 3 over 4 teeth. Cannot be less than 3 teeth. I mean, for example, if 2 teeth is not good, it's cannot be. Okay. So you see here I have a 1, 2, 3, 4 already. Okay.